Mabi uchinomona anobuda pasocial media achinzi aiwa Emmerson Mnangagwa girlfriend panapa obuda achiadmita kuti aiwa the Zimbabwean leader he cannot rule forever, he must take action against those who criticize him. Sanabina mashoko anobuda nyorwa panapa tichiona kuti aiwa vakomana panapa tinoona kuti the ZANU-PF's own leaders panguva inoi vauya panyasi kuona kuti aiwa it's hard time for the leader kuti aramba achikondenya achitungamirira nyika. Anobva subscribe like on the bell icon. TV na mzimu ai mabuda nyora chiti ZANU-PF's Women League leader Mabu Chinomona on Friday called on President Emmerson Mnangagwa to take stronger action against those who criticize him. Chinomona argued that Mnangagwa's humility is being exploited by political opponents who are taking advantage of his perceived softness. She made these comments during the launch of the ZANU-PF incubator project. Chinomona stated, "There is no sun that can rise while another is still shining. President Mnangagwa is in office, but of course, he will eventually leave. We will not tolerate those who attack the president on social media. Who do they think they are to insult the president?" While Chinomona's comments suggest that Mnangagwa is too lenient, the president has long been associated with a tough, non-nonsense persona, earning him the nickname Crocodile for his ruthless political tactics. Tomashkana mdai toka panapa na Mabu Chinomona ataro mashkana chita aiwa panguva inoi. Yes, we know kuti the leader aiwa arikuwa na critics anatara mashoko achiadmita kuti aiwa mtungamiri wenyika is eventually going to leave, and panguva inoi resistance yavari kufesa in their own party aiwa yakurisa. Mbuti dzema fundo enyu kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi, kunyange vanhu zvavo vachiziva kuti aiwa vakomana ava vakatonzi crocodile just because they are known kuti aiwa they are ruthless, vakomana vana tsitsi. Todzema fundo enyu pina comment section medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.